Hey everybody, this is just a follow-up on a video that I did a few days ago back on August the 15th, 2025, and it was for a pizza dough. In that video, I only mentioned the grams and I forgot to mention the conversions. So this is just a fast video showing all of the conversions for that recipe. I'll include all recipe ingredient amounts underneath the videos in the description box. So I've updated the information on the original video so that it includes everyone. So that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And oh, I just made chocolate chip cookies and I decided to film it, so I'm going to be uploading that one in a few days. Anyway, that's it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one.